Right now, an invisible cage is keeping you financially stuck, and the terrifying part is, society tricked you into building it yourself. Stay with me, because today, we are going to break the most dangerous lie you have ever been told about money. What if I told you that the biggest lie you have ever been sold is sitting in your wallet right now? Every single day, you are trading your heartbeat, your youth, and your peace of mind for something that does not actually care about you. You wake up exhausted, you work until you are numb, and you tell yourself that if you just earn a little more, you will finally be happy. But what if the finish line you are running toward is completely fake? What if the reason you feel so stuck is that you are playing a game designed to make you lose? Welcome to Glaze English. If you are ready to break free from this trap and change how you think, please hit that subscribe button right now. Your support gives us the motivation to keep creating videos that matter. Let us talk about this trap. Most of us were raised with one terrifying idea: we need money to survive. So, we study, we struggle, and we sacrifice. Without even realizing it, accumulating cash becomes the entire purpose of our existence. We get trapped in a never-ending rat race. We start worshipping the tool. But think about how empty that actually feels. When money becomes your ultimate goal, you fall into a dark cycle. Even when you finally get that raise, the stress does not fade. You still feel that heavy void inside your chest. Why? Because you are chasing the wrong target. The deep truth I had to learn the hard way is that money itself is not life. Money is just a tool. It is exactly like a hammer. You use a hammer to build a house, but you do not live for the hammer. If you only chase money, you will take jobs you hate and sacrifice your health just for bigger numbers on a screen. One day, you will realize you have cash, but absolutely no life. We need to stop asking how much we need, and start asking why we need it. We must stop chasing money and start building freedom. Once you realize that money is only a tool meant to build freedom, you have to ask yourself what that freedom actually looks like in everyday life. Most of us have been taught to measure wealth by looking at the numbers in a bank account, but I have come to realize that this is a dangerous illusion. Real wealth is not about how much cash you have hoarded away, it is about how much control you have over your own time. Time is the only true non-renewable resource we will ever possess. You can lose $1,000 today and figure out a way to earn it back next month. But the hour you just spent, once it slips through your fingers, it is gone forever. No amount of money can buy back your yesterday. It honestly breaks my heart when I look around and see so many brilliant people trading their absolute best years for a high income, only to find themselves trapped. Imagine a person who earns a massive salary but works 14 hours a day, misses dinner with their family, and cannot take a single day off without feeling extreme panic. Now, compare them to someone who earns a moderate income but fully owns their schedule. This second person wakes up when they want, chooses the work they care about, and actually has the mental space to breathe. Who is truly rich in that scenario? I used to think I wanted to be a millionaire, but what I really wanted, and what I believe you truly want, is choices. Choices are the ultimate currency of the wealthy. Freedom is having the power to say no to things that drain your energy. It is the ability to step away from the pressure and just live. When you stop focusing purely on income and start focusing on taking back your time, your entire direction changes. You stop making decisions out of fear and start building a life that you do not constantly need to escape from. To truly protect that freedom and those choices, we have to learn how to exist quietly in a world that never stops screaming for our attention. Every single day, we log into social media and step into a psychological battlefield. We see people showing off their designer clothes, their brand new cars, and their flawless vacations. It creates this heavy, silent pressure inside us. We start feeling like we are somehow falling behind in life. So, what do? We panic. We spend money we do not even have, just to buy things we do not actually need, all to impress people we do not even really know. I have felt that exact same pressure, that desperate need to prove to the world that I am doing well. But I finally realized that looking rich and actually becoming rich are two completely different paths. The modern culture of trying to look wealthy is a trap that slowly destroys your peace of mind. Real wealth is incredibly silent. It does not need outside validation. It does not need to post a picture to prove it exists. Living simply does not mean you are living a poor, boring, or miserable life. It means you are finally in total control. When you stop worrying about maintaining a fake image, you save so much mental and emotional energy. You take all that saved energy and you use it for quiet growth. You build your skills behind the scenes, you work on your personal goals late at night, and you let your future results make the noise. But to do this successfully, we have to fight our own endless desires. A simple trick I started using in my own life is the 24-hour rule. Whenever I feel a sudden, emotional urge to buy something just because it is trendy or looks good, I force myself to wait exactly one full day. Almost always, after those 24 hours pass, the emotion fades, and I realize I never really needed that item at all. Silence is your greatest competitive advantage in life, so stop performing for the crowd and start building for yourself. Once you have quieted the noise and stopped spending to impress others, you are finally ready to build the actual mechanical foundation of your wealth. This is where the real work begins, and it comes down to a very simple rule that most people get completely backwards. You must buy assets, not liabilities. Think of an asset as a loyal worker that goes out every single day and puts money directly into your pocket, even while you sleep. A liability, on the other hand, is a hungry trap that constantly takes money away from you. The reason so many hardworking people stay financially stuck is that they aggressively buy liabilities, like expensive cars or trendy gadgets, and fool themselves into believing those are assets. We have to be brutally honest with our choices and build our assets first, long before we try to show off any illusion of success. But before those assets can truly grow, you have to protect what you already have. I used to think the secret to getting ahead was just finding a way to double my money as fast as possible, but fast growth without protection is actually incredibly dangerous. Imagine trying to fill a bucket with water, but the bucket has several holes in the bottom. It does not matter how much water you frantically pour in, it will eventually run completely dry. Protecting your base means building a strong safety net, avoiding blind risks, and keeping your daily expenses under strict control so that one bad month does not ruin everything. And the ultimate protection, the real key to survival in this unpredictable world, is never relying on just one single source of income. If you only have one job, your entire sense of security is hanging by a single thread, and if that thread breaks, your whole world crashes down instantly. We have to start small, maybe learning a new skill on the weekends or creating a side project, so that we have multiple streams flowing in. Having one paycheck is just barely surviving, but having multiple sources of income is how you finally build a life where absolutely nobody else holds the power to control your destiny. When you finally build that unshakable financial base with multiple streams of income, you unlock the mental freedom to ask the most important question of all: what happens next? Most people spend their entire lives dreaming of luxury, imagining big houses and expensive clothes as the ultimate finish line. But the deeper I look at my own life, the more I realize that luxury is completely temporary. Comfort is nice, but it ends the exact moment you are gone. Legacy, on the other hand, is permanent. Legacy is not just about leaving money behind, it is about the values you share, the people you help, and the impact you create in your community. Anyone can spend a paycheck on a shiny new toy, but not everyone has the patience to build something that truly outlives them. This requires us to play the infinite game and completely embrace long-term thinking. We live in a society that is completely obsessed with instant results, but fast success is usually very fragile. True wealth is built slowly, day by day, through the quiet power of the compound effect. It is about choosing consistency over speed. You do not need to take massive, dangerous leaps to win, you just need to keep taking small, steady steps in the right direction every single day. So, I want to ask you to stop for a moment and look closely at your own journey. Are you exhausting yourself just to afford temporary comforts, or are you patiently building a legacy that will stand the test of time? True riches are not found in the things you buy to impress strangers. They are found in the absolute freedom you earn and the positive mark you leave on this world. Let us choose to build slowly, live deeply, and win strongly together. As we reach the end of this journey today, I want us to take a deep breath and really look at the big picture we have painted together. We have walked through the illusion of simply chasing money and discovered that true wealth is actually about taking back your time, your choices, and your peace of mind. The most profound lesson I have taken from all of this is that wealth is not a loud display of luxury, it is the silent, unshakable confidence that comes from being in total control of your own life. It is the beautiful realization that you no longer have to perform for a society that does not genuinely care about your mental well-being or your future. So, how do we actually apply this powerful philosophy right now, starting today? It begins with small, quiet shifts in your daily habits. Tomorrow, before you swipe your card for something you do not really need, pause and ask yourself if that purchase is secretly stealing a piece of your future freedom. This weekend, Take just 1 hour to sit in total silence with a piece of paper and write down exactly what a free life looks like for you personally. Start building that one tiny side project, or dedicate just 30 minutes a day to learning a new, valuable skill that no one can ever take away from you. Stop trying to prove your worth to the world through the expensive things you own, and start proving it to yourself through the meaningful legacy you are quietly building behind closed doors. You absolutely have the power to step off that endless treadmill and design a life that actually belongs to you. Now, I would love to hear your thoughts, because we are all learning together in this community. If you woke up tomorrow and had complete financial freedom, what is the very first thing you would do with your time? Please share your answer down in the comments below so we can all read your perspectives and get inspired by each other's dreams. And if you found real value in our conversation today, please hit that subscribe button to support the channel. It gives us the motivation to keep bringing you more meaningful content like this. Let us keep growing together.